Hey there, I'm talking to you from parking garage here in Tennoji because I've just had no time to shoot a video anywhere else. What I want to let you know is that I'm sorry this week there is no recipe video on Kuma's Kitchen. I know it's shocking. It's been a long time since this happened, but I have been driving this van here every day, taking tourists to Kyoto, around Osaka, over to Nara, working some nights, taking people on food tours. It's been absolutely insane. I won't have had a day off for a whole month until April. April 18th is going to be my first day off in a whole month. So there has just been no time to shoot videos, but I'm going to make it up to you. And it definitely will be a video next week because on April 18th, I will be shooting a recipe video. I'll shoot a couple of videos, a couple of things I want to make, and get them in the can, shot and ready so I can get them up to you, okay? Again, I apologize, but this week there is no recipe video. I know, it's sad, but hey, we'll make up for it, don't worry.